Hi, this is a Toyota Highlander, and I just cleaned out the throttle body, and it's pretty dirty. And then later on, I found out that the RPM like this keep the idle RPM keep staying about 1,000, and it's not normal usually. So I thought maybe the car need to warm up. That's why the RPM stay high. But since the car has warmed up already, like you see on the screen, and still remain over 1,000, and then I hook up the car to the computer and I found there's a P2111 code. So what does that mean? So I found out that it means the throttle body, the opening cover is stuck open. Oh crap, I probably damaged the throttle body when I cleaned it with the cleaner, or somehow I didn't do anything correctly or did something wrong that causes the throttle body stuck open. And what should I do? And I keep panicking and I don't know what to do. Then after some research, I found out a way to fix it, and this is what I did in the following. The way to fix it is driving the car, maintain around 50 miles for a while, and then floor it all the way to the bottom. The RPM go over 4,000 and to between 65 and 75 miles. Maintain it for 5 seconds. 1,001, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005, 5 seconds, and then see if we clear the code. Now I've drove 2.6 miles, and the idle RPM back to normal. So it is very common, from what I read, that after you clean the throttle body, the idle RPM is kind of high, and the computer have to relearn it. So this is how it is now, 2.6 miles. It's normal idle RPM. All right, thank you.